Alrighty guys, we're going to give you an update today on our fish and feed them as well. They're looking pretty hungry. So the largemouth bass here, bluegill here, crappie is back here, down low on the left there. And then our crawdad is back there behind the plants. We'll show you him in a second. And our catfish is in this rock, I believe, usually anyway. Let's see if we can see him. Right there. But we're gonna feed these guys some goldfish and let you guys watch. The bass and the crappie, they definitely love the live fish. The bluegill not so much. I'm gonna drop one in. The bass will probably get it right away. That's usually how it works. Got it. Little scales going all over. Now let's see if we can get one to the crappie without the bass getting it. Keep the bass out of the way. I can usually let the crappie get the next fish. Oh, bass got him. 2 in a row. Alright, come on, crappie. Get a little more aggressive. And the bass got the third one. Oh, he's a hungry little guy. We're gonna now feed him some crickets. The bluegill loves eating crickets. There goes one. Bluegill got it. There's another one. Bluegill got that one as well. The bass ended up with that one. Bass definitely eats the most. Gonna be the last of the feeding. Crappie didn't end up with any on this one, but I'll go back to the pet store soon and make sure he gets some. Let me show you now. Pick up the camera and show you our crawdad back there. His name is Crayster, after the YouTube channel Crayster, where they catch crawfish. See if I can see that catfish in there. Can't really see him too well, but he's a little tiny guy. Presley named him Whiskers. Crappie, bluegill, and the bass. We definitely want to update our tank, get a bigger one, just so these guys can be more comfortable and grow a little more. But I've had them in here since summer, so probably 6 months or so, and they're surviving, doing fine. I'll feed them worms, crickets, fish, and then I have some pellets that I feed the crawdad. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.